Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Okay guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and we are going to do a video on changing out your valve for your hoses outside. The twist ones they're a joke. That one's leaking pretty bad. I'd shut the water off so we can do this job, but I'm going to replace it here with this quarter turn, and these are way handier. So that will work just perfectly. A lot less stress on the pipe, quick on and off. You can adjust it just a slight bit out if you want, but that's the handy way to go. So we're going to take that one off. I'm going to show you how to do it, especially that one's probably been on there since the house was built in the early 90s. So we'll show you a quick and easy way to do it. And first thing I did was put some of our awesome lubricant on there, our Planet Safe on there, and we are still giving away. So if you want the free giveaway of a sample of the Planet Safe, just message us, comment to us that you want it, and we'll get it out to you free of charge. No ulterior motives to it. We're just giving it out until it's gone. Once it's gone, it's gone. I put that on about 3 days ago, and I'm going to give you some tips on doing this. Guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I wanted to share a couple of things with you about this channel and why we put it up. It's not that we know everything by any means, nobody does, but what I wanted to do is, my objective was for you to be able to share this channel with many people that you know out there, especially your kids. Your kids need to learn how to do stuff on their own so they can be self-sufficient, because not everybody's going to be there to help them. Learning to do it yourself is really the key to saving a lot of money. I bet you I've saved over the last 40 years over $250,000 in doing things myself. Big projects, small projects. I mean, just think about it. If you bought a tractor every 5 years, a lawnmower, and you didn't take care of it, like most people don't, and 5 years later you got to spend another 2, 3, 4 grand, 5 grand. That's 25, 30,000 right there. Learning to do stuff on your own, you learn stuff from your parents, and if you don't have time to share with your kids how to do stuff, give them this video, give them the channel so that they can learn stuff. Same with Sweet Project Cars. Let them do the work on their cars themselves. Save a boatload of money and be self-sufficient. That is so important these days. All right, back to the video. All right, now we're painting the house, and then I want to get it painted and get it done, but I'm not going to do it with this valve leaking here, and it's leaking right around the bottom of the knob. But here's the first tip you want to do. Make sure you shut your water off. That's always a good idea. And check on the back side here and see if you see threads. If there's threads, some are soldered on, not many, but most of them are threaded. So you just check and make sure you have threads. Real simple. Most of the time the valves will be 1 inch. This one here is not 1 inch. It's smaller than that, probably 3/4 of an inch, but this one is 1 inch. So that'll go on like that, and a lot of times it's pretty tight. So this is all you have to do. We'll take that off, let the water pressure come off. Now, because this is casted brass, it is actually a little bit larger than 1 inch. So you can take and file that down a little bit so you can get the wrench on there. And I just like to tap it on. There, it's on. Take your vice grips, come in on the back side. So we'll see if our Planet Safe loosened that up for us. Broke right loose. Use pipe dope if you want. We like to use this stuff right here. It's awesome. It's the only way to go as far as I'm concerned. You can mop it on with that, but I don't like to do that. I just take my everything screwdriver, take a little bit like that. And this stuff works, wet or dry. Take our new valve and screw it on. We're going to use the vice grips because I don't have the right wrench with me, and just don't want to go all the way back. A little bit lazy. Quarter turn on, quarter turn off. All right, new valve's on, water's turned back on. Look how easy that is. Now you want a little bit, you want a lot. Much easier than these piles right here. Less working pieces, less washers, less gaskets, less whatever the guts are in that thing. Boom. Simple. That's fully closed. This is how long it takes to get it fully open. Prehistoric. Mr. Know-It-All again, out.